have two stomachs.
What?
They eat more than half their weight in greens every day.
Wow.
And they have to re-chew and re-swallow those greens a second time to get all the nourishment possible.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, that's what I thought. They were on the shift island yet. This next little island right here is where they're at.
Is Gavin on the ground?
The red is moving a little bit.
He's right behind those bushes.
Down below.
Perch.
You saw it, the white one?
Yeah, in the black.
Yeah, right there.
There he
Now
is.
that keeper will come back and raise that hose up, and then they will come right back on their island.
Some ducks are on the island. Oh.
They kind of like to play in the mangroves on that little island.
Oh, there's one in
They're
the
only there for a
mangrove
very
bushes.
short
Uh-huh.
time.
Oh.
They raise the hoses up and let them get on that island, and they put.
Two, one in the bushes, one in the thing right there.
There's one right here on the water's edge in that mangrove, right inside that mangrove, right there. Now they're from Central Africa. If you look in front of you, look at all these monkeys.
Look at all of them.
We got a parade of them.
Katie,
coming down
look.
here. All of them.
Oh my gosh!
Those black and white ones are old world monkeys from Central Africa. These are new world monkeys. They're native to Central and South America.
Watch them, Katie. They're awesome, aren't they?
I'm filming.
They have a prehensile tail. That means that that tail can work just like their hand. They can do anything with that tail that they can do with their hand. They can peel and eat a banana with just the tail.
No. Mama, look, a turtle.
And both of these monkeys, the black and white colobus and the black-handed spider monkeys,
Spider monkeys, I love spider monkeys.
they're
I hear
both
them.
seed dispersal monkeys. That means that in their little droppings in the forest floors, there's a lot of seeds in their droppings because they cannot digest all the seeds they consume. So therefore we have some seeds with some monkey fertilizer. And then we have another tree grow.
There's
Our next island coming up here, we do have our senior citizen on that white box over there to our right-hand side there. He's another spider monkey. Their lifespan is about 20 to 25 years old in the wild.
Oh,
And he was born here at the zoo. And we just celebrated his 45th birthday last month. Due to the fact of no predators and very good care by our keepers. And also fabulous vet care. And also, he's got waterfront property here in Naples. And he likes his martini at sunset. And up in this little tree right here, to our left-hand side, there's a little brown furry thing up there. That's a white-fronted lemur. And on top of the hut is a white-fronted lemur also. Those are very rare. We're the only zoo in the United States that has white-fronted lemurs.
Lemurs.
I didn't see him.
You see the movie Madagascar with King Julian? Huh?
We saw the show. It's King Julian.
Now, there are no kings in the Madagascar family. and the ringtail lemur families anyway. Due to the fact that if the boys want to have a girlfriend, they have a little stink fight test. Yeah, they get their tails about as dirty as possible. And then they start snapping them in each other's faces. Sounds like little boys to me. Yeah.
His tail.
And then the winner takes his tail and presents it to the female. And if she likes the way he stinks, they become boyfriend and girlfriend. And there they are, right in that hub of the tree, about 10 feet up. Both of them. Their tails are unique. Every one of their tails is different. It's like a fingerprint for them.
Yeah, they look like
King Julian.
But in the ringtail lemurs, the females, they will have one queen. And that queen can be above anywhere from 15 to 20 lemurs she would be in charge of. And the boys, they have to do whatever she says. Thou shalt obey.
Where's your paper from it?